You can use your spoon to scoop the excess on your containers.
Say, look at that. Wow. Oh, not yet. We wait for the instruction.
Ayan, galing naman. Okay. Sige. Very good, Ate Rose. Ang galing-galing mo. Ay, ito speeding contest. Kala nyo kung sino yung mauuna, sila yung mananalo ah. Your hand.
Ham. Ayan. Oh,
And
spread
then
nyo, spread
yung
nyo.
spread po natin is outer to inner of the dough.
Okay, say. Say mo pa.
Galing nito.
Dami.
Do it. You're now.
Sa chef ko yan. Very good, anak.
Do it. Bigger. Tapos.
Very good,
Ayan,
Sai.
na ba lahat?
Very good, Jan. Later.
Perfectionist yung
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and smile. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay. So lahat ng pizza, ilagay po dito. Group yourselves into 2. Okay. So, ayan yung mga kapartner niya. So, partner kayo. So, harapan kayo. Face each other, guys. Face each other. So, let's give a space lang ng konti. Ayan. So, face each other. So, harap kayo. Harap pa kayo ni Kuya. Ayan. Okay. So, meron akong cup dito. Ilalagay ko siya sa gitna ninyo. Ayan. Okay, ito, sige, cup. So, meron akong cup. Harapan kayo. Harap. Ayan. So, harap ka sa kanya. Harap ka sa kanya. Ayan. So, harapan. So, alam niyo ba yung nursery rhymes na head, shoulder, knees, and toes? Sige, let's try. Where is your head?
Head down.
Shoulder.
Shoulders.
Knees. Toes. Again, head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head, top. Ayan, trial muna. Ulit, sige. Ito na yung serious mode natin. Knees, toes, shoulder, head, toes. Toes muna, toes. Shoulder, head, top. Ayan. Okay, so sino yung mga nakakuha? Basketball. Of course, mga players. Ano bang settings ng basketball liga?
Hey, Maya pa. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. It's been a blessing to celebrate Zari's 4th birthday here with her families, with our families. So, thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you po for coming. We really appreciate it. Kahit po short notice. And also, of course, kila Mami, Daddy, Mama, Papa, and the whole family who supported po. It's a nice thing to celebrate in the Philippines. Iba po talaga. The happiness, the joy, the family compared po sa ibang bansa. And, we thank God for blessing us po, Zari. And she's growing very smartly and healthy and kind po. So, thank you po for all for coming po.
Ayan. So let's say hi to Susie. Hi! Okay, so now let's take a photo opportunity muna together with our birthday celebrant. Na, pinagsama-sama na namin. Joke. Ayan, so let's take a photo opportunity.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Ngayon naman with energy. And now, Zari, you can close your eyes, make your wish, and blow your candle. Okay, what is our magic word?
Happy birthday, Zari!
Happy birthday, Zari. All